Morning, Prime Minister. Will you come on Good Morning Britain, Prime Minister?
Oh!
I've just had a reaction here from one of the minders.
You're not getting near Boris. Look at
Prime
that.
Minister, will you come on Good Morning Britain and deliver on your promise to talk to Piers and Susanna? We're ready to go. We're live on ITV right now. Prime Minister, we have an earpiece in my pocket. You're more than welcome to come on. I'm actually being pushed and shoved at the moment as well by one of the minders.
To be the
as
minder.
well. Mr. Johnson, while you have 5 minutes, you're live on Good Morning Britain. Could you talk to Piers and Susanna for me?
I'll be with you in a second.
Yeah, I have an earpiece here in my hands, ready to go. Right, he's been taken inside, into the freezer.
He's gone into the fridge.
There's a
bunker. Swain,
very foster
heroic
reception we've
work,
had
mate.
so far, isn't it?
That was heroic work.